Hi, I'm Abigail Judupale from BSIT1Q. Today I'll show you helpful apps for students and teachers. So let's start. First one is Canva. When we say Canva, Canva is a graphic design tool used to create presentations, posters, infographics, social media posts, and other visual contents. It helps students express ideas creatively in projects and assignments, and allows teachers to design engaging lessons, materials, visual aids, and class announcement easily. So next is Microsoft Word. When we say Microsoft Word, is a word processing app used for creating, editing, and formatting documents like essay, reports, and letters. It's essential for writing assignments, lesson plans, worksheets, and official documents. It also supports collaboration and commenting for feedback. Next, so let's proceed to Google Classroom. When we say Google Classroom is a learning management system for organizing assignments, grading, and communication between teachers and students. It streamlines classwork, reduces paper use, and helps teachers manage students' progress efficiently. Students will submit work, receive feedback, and stay up to date on lessons. Next, proceed to Quizlet. When we say Quizlet, is a study app that uses flashcards, quizzes, and games to help with memorization and learning. Students can review subject interactively, and teacher can create custom study sets or use existing ones to support classroom learning and test preps. Proceed to helpful apps that can use in exercise. So the first one is Strava. When we say Strava, Strava track physical activities like running, cycling, and walking using GPS. It promotes a healthy lifestyle by motivating users to stay active. PE teachers can use it to track students' fitness goals, and students can monitor their progress during physical educations or extracurricular sports. Smartwatch. A smartwatch tracks physical activity, heart rate, steps, sleep, and sends notification from your phone. It encourages movement and time management, remind users to stay active, and can help monitor health, useful for staying organized and keeping track of fitness or schedule during busy school days. And the last, I think this is the last one, My Fitness Pal. When we say My Fitness Pal is a health app that tracks food intake, calories, nutrients, and exercise. It encourages better eating habits, track fitness goals, and supports overall wellness. It's a useful tool in health education classes or personal health planning. Thank you for watching. Hope these apps will help you.